On behalf of Ajoke Ayisat Foundation.
Supported by CPAC Group. CPAC Group. Yes.
We hereby commission the water project and Ganyingbo Topa community.
Water is a basic need for human survival. Sadly, many rural communities in developing countries lack access to safe and clean water sources, which exposes them to waterborne diseases and risks. To address these challenges, Ajoke Ayisat Afolabi Foundation in February paid a visit to Topa, Badagry in Lagos State, Nigeria, for the purpose of providing borehole water for the community. This impact, AAAF is certain will serve the community for a long time as it is a sustainable and reliable source to safe and clean water. Investing in this project will not only improve Topa community's health and well-being but will also contribute to their economic development and overall quality of life.
Láyọ̀ àti àlàáfíà àwa tuntun filẹ̀ sí ìgbà iná tí wọ́n ṣòro yìí fún ká máa gbúra ara ní ayọ̀ àti àlàáfíà.